Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that bell icon so you never miss the latest guides, tricks, and easy hacks for your favorite mobile games. Today, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited stars and coins in Gardenscapes, all straight from your phone. No laptop, no weird installs, and absolutely no rooting or jailbreaking required. I tested this myself, and the resources showed up in my account super quickly. It's a straightforward process, so let's go step by step. First up, you'll need your player ID from Gardenscapes. Just open the game, head to your profile or settings, and you'll see it listed, usually a mix of numbers unique to your account. Take a screenshot or jot it down, you'll need it shortly. Got it. Nice, let's move on. Next, fire up your phone's browser, whatever you use, and head over to the site I'm showing in this video. It's loaded with tools for different games, including Gardenscapes. Just type in Gardenscapes and tap on the Unlimited Stars and Coins hack option when it pops up. Easy as that. On the generator page, you'll see a simple form. Choose your platform, Android or iOS, then paste in the player ID you saved earlier. Double check everything, then hit connect. The system will link up with your account in a few seconds, all handled safely in the background. Here's the fun part. Select how much stars and coins you want to add. Choose the amount, tap generate, and let the tool run its process. While it works, it's handling encryption, syncing, and server checks behind the scenes so you don't have to. Before the resources drop into your account, there's one last easy verification step. Usually, that means downloading a free app and using it briefly. Nothing complicated. If you're unsure, most sites include a short guide to walk you through. Complete that and you're set. Now, hop back into Gardenscapes and check your stars and coins balance. If you followed the steps correctly, the resources should already be sitting there. I tried it myself earlier and it worked perfectly, smooth and fast. And that's the full walkthrough for unlocking unlimited stars and coins in Gardenscapes. If this helped you out, smash that like button and share it with your friends. Stuck on a step? Drop a comment below, I check them often and I'll help you out. And of course, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next hack or guide. Thanks for watching, enjoy the boost, and I'll see you in the next video.